How to download the Merrill Edge application on Android. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are providing you with a guide to do so you may follow the step-by-step tutorial for that. We can directly open up the Play Store, the official application downloader for Android, and directly use the search here. So once we open up the app, go to search and tap on it. After that, you can search for Merrill Edge. So go ahead and type in Merrill and type in Edge and hit enter, and it will show us the application here. So you can basically look out for it. And once we find the application, this is the one. It should be from this official publisher. You can just go and look out for it, the one with this logo. Once you find it, you can basically look out for the login option available like this. You can tap on login and wait for the application to be completely installed on your device. And you can use your credentials in order to log in into the application and access everything that you're looking for. And that is it, everybody. You can follow this method and download the Merrill Edge application on Android. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.